Robert Kiyosaki is an American businessman, investor, self-help author, motivational speaker, financial literacy activist, financial commentator, and radio personality. He is also the author of one of the best-selling business and finance books of all time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. 1. Give and receive. The most assured way to receive something is to give. It comes down to your attitude towards money. To make a lot of money requires you give a lot. Not only money, but your time and diligence in working for it. At times there are people who want more, but aren't giving anything. Is it possible to work less and get paid more? If you want to get paid more, work more. Give more. 2. Change the way you think. Use your challenges as inspiration. Yes, there will be ups and downs. Plenty of the top entrepreneurs in the world have been in debt. This is where your way of thinking needs to change, to take action and to work hard. Robert Kiyosaki used his problems as motivation to go out and make more money. You are your biggest asset and liability. 3. Focus on what will work. Follow one course until successful. Quit trying to do multiple things at once and focus on the project at hand. You can clutter yourself with an overload of things, and it can not only be distracting, but also exhausting. Invest your time into something you know. There is nothing wrong with diversity, but when it slows you down and gets in the way of more important things, then you need to rethink your priorities. Find what will work for you and stick with it. Each person is different. 4. From bad times to new opportunities. People fall into a negative spin of emotions when economies crash, like when the Great Depression happened and when the world financial crisis hit quite a few years ago. But some see this as an opportunity to advance. While some people are worrying, others are using this as an advantage to buy, or resolve the issues, knowing that there is a solution. 5. Design your business properly. It's not about the product, it's about designing the business properly without having to raise the capital. A great way to analyze and understand where your business is progressing and lacking is the BI triangle, which you can see here. 7. Quit saving. Don't just save your money. This doesn't mean to spend it because you can. Instead, use it wisely. Use it to advance your business or invest when the opportunity arises.